On behalf of Frontier Airlines and your Denver and Atlanta-based flight crew, welcome to Houston. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we are parked at the gate and the fastened seatbelt sign is turned off. Cell phones may not be used, however, laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. Once you arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury as items may have shifted during landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, a Frontier customer service representative will meet us flight upon arrival at the gate and will be happy to assist you. For those customers needing special assistance, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft, as this will allow us to better assist you. For those customers who live in the Houston area, welcome home. For those who are just visiting, we wish you a pleasant stay. On behalf of your Denver and Atlanta-based flight crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today.